Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to change App Drawer on Android. Android's App Drawer is the screen that displays all installed apps in one place. The exact options for changing the App Drawer depend on your device manufacturer and Android version. In most cases, you can customize the App Drawer by adjusting launcher settings or installing a different launcher app. To begin, unlock your Android device and go to the home screen. Press and hold an empty area of the home screen, then tap the Settings, Home Settings, or a similar option. Look for the home screen layout or launcher settings menu. Find the option related to the app drawer, then adjust the app drawer layout, such as grid or app organization option or style. Now go back, then go to the home screen. Enable or disable features like search bars. Go back again to App Drawer. Toggle on the app by usage or by style or custom arrangement if available. Toggle on this option to create folders within the App Drawer if your launcher supports this feature. Return to the home screen and open the App Drawer to review the changes. If your current launcher has limited customization, open the Google Play Store and install a launcher such as a Nova Launcher or Microsoft Launcher. Then set the new launcher as a default home app and customize the app drawer according to your preferences. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.